about a 4-hour city council meeting, the majority of which public input from folks that are on both sides of this argument. I got a chance to speak to officials today with the ACLU of Washington who tell me they question the legality of this new ordinance. It's a debate of safety, Mercer Island officials say. A proposed new law to ban camping, officially defined as unauthorized use of public property and unauthorized storage of personal property on public property, whether in a tent or parked in a car overnight. Anyone that violates could receive a $1,000 fine or 3 months in jail. A lot of people telling council this is a way to help those in need.
It is inhumane to simply punt the problem and allow public camping in our public spaces.
That is compassion. Allowing campers in our parks and right-of-way does not show compassion.
Now is not the time for us to go down the path of analysis paralysis due to perceived legal threats or engage in tepid middle groundism.
The city references similar laws in Bellevue, Issaquah, Linwood, and Redmond, and these aren't the only ones. In 2019, the city of Tacoma implemented what became known in the community as a tent ban.
We have seen both in Washington and really across the country an increase in using these types of ordinances.
Brianne Schuster is a staff attorney with the ACLU of Washington. She tells me the city of Mercer Island reached out to the ACLU regarding this ordinance.
And there's a few different constitutional concerns that we had.
Schuster says that covers 3 areas, including penalizing folks for things that are out of their control, how this ordinance may be enforced, which could infringe on people's rights, and how will the ordinance be managed during a pandemic. Police say in total they deal with about 10 individuals who are experiencing homelessness in the city. City officials say the cost of putting one person in jail for 90 days, the maximum penalty for this ordinance, could cost the city upward of $18,000. The concern here is the enforcement, either a $1,000 fine or up to 90 days in jail possibility, but police officials say they've had similar laws on the books for 3 decades now, and they have never enforced the punishment. But the concern is just because something has not been enforced doesn't mean it won't happen in the future. Now, city officials also decided to get an update regarding this new ordinance in 6 months. Reporting here in Mercer Island, I'm AJ Janavel for Q13 News.
Well, it could be a